Do you have an idea about selling a product that you're passionate about, but you don't know how to get the funds to get it up and running? Well, in this video, I'll be going over how to start selling your products with no money. If that sounds interesting to you, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So do you have a product that you're excited about, that you want everybody to essentially have in their hands? Well, in this video, I'm gonna let you know on how you can get started with getting your product out there without waiting a long time to build up the capital to do so. So pretty much what you'll have to do is create a pre-order. With pre-orders, that is when you get people to buy into your product without you actually having a product on hand. What you can do is get people to go ahead and pay for the product at the product cost rate, and you take that money and you go and get your product made and send it out to the people. But in order for you to do that successfully, there are a few things that you will have to do in order to make it work. So the first thing you will want to do is hype up your product before asking for the pre-orders. So what you want to do is create a buzz, create excitement, create curiosity, and just create the build-up around the product that you want to get out. Make sure you tell your friends and family, make sure you tell all of your people on social media, so that when you are ready to get the products made, ready to get started in getting the products made, you'll already have that buzz going for the product. So when you do ask for the pre-order purchases, you'll be good to go. The next point is you will need to have the capability to honor those pre-orders. So if you set a pre-order date 4 weeks out and you're not sure if you're able to get those products out at that appointed time, then you may want to reevaluate to make sure that you have all of your ducks in a row. So when the people start to pay for their pre-orders, they will expect their pre-orders at the date that you gave them. Always give people a date or a solid time frame on when they can expect to receive their orders. Also, make sure to have your pre-order purchases as first priority. These people are setting you up for success by giving you their money in order for you to deliver on your promise by giving them the product. So make sure that they get first dibs on the products that they pre-order. So that's all that I have for this video. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.